Welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a wicked cool 1955 Chevrolet 210 complete nut and bolt rotisserie restoration, guys. 5,500 miles on the build. Previous owners owned this car since 1983. Gorgeous paint. It's finished in torch red. It's got a beautiful custom leather interior and it's all sculpted. Just a gorgeous car, man. They said this car was actually built in the 90s, but it's really nice. It's all body color underneath. You can tell this car is very well maintained. Again, 5,500 miles on the build. All new glass. It's got a wicked cool set of 18 and 20-inch Billet Specialty wheels. Just a cool car. Again, very nicely done. Car runs and drives excellent. It's got a Ramjet 350 underneath the hood, EFI with a $700 4 automatic overdrive trans. Sorry, it's spitting a little snow, guys. Chrome and stainless is nice. There's a couple little touch-up marks on it, but pretty doggone nice car, guys. Again, same thing, couple little touch-ups. Pretty car, very pretty car. Again, gorgeous torch red paint. Yeah, a little water drop. It's spitting a little snow here today. Again, all new glass. Wicked cool interior. Look how they sculpted that rear package tray. Got the Buick taillight lenses. Get chrome and stainless is nice. I mean, it's just a beautiful car. All custom suspension underneath, tubular front suspension, 4-link rear. Nice and straight down the side. Sits good. Again, 18 and 20-inch Billet Specialty wheels. Got ZR rated rubber all the way around it. Yeah, they say this car was actually originally built in the 90s. That's a beautiful car, man. And it's a real deep red, guys. I know a lot of guys, they don't want orange, and I know what you're saying. Sometimes cars can kind of, you call them red, but it's an orange color. No, this is a dark red. Full wheel disc brakes. Again, it's all body color underneath. It's got a GM Performance Ramjet 350 fuel injected engine in it. Aluminum intake. Ceramic headers. It's got all the serpentine pulley system on it. Vintage air. Complete tubular front suspension. It's got a complete custom cradle on the car. It's all tubular, 4-corner coil-over adjustable shocks. You can see the Griffin radiator, power rack and pinion steering. It has power 4-wheel disc brakes. I think I said $700 for automatic overdrive transmission. Really nicely done. Pack. And I'll tell you what, drives out excellent, guys. Nice and tight, plenty of power. Now I'll leave that in there, Dale, because I don't want to get, you know, I ordered new carpet or new mats for it. Door handles are nice. Again, door skins are nice and clean. Look at this interior, beautiful. I just ordered new floor mats for it. All new carpet, new sill plates, beautiful custom leather interior in it. Really cool. Look at the door pads. Headliner's nice. Chrome tilt columns. Got a low car shifter. Dakota digital dash. It's got an aftermarket radio. The vintage AC controls are actually in the glove box. All billet trim. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It has a 9-inch forward with a 4-link rear suspension. Again, 4-corner coil-over shocks. It has 373 posi rear end. All finished trunk. And again, it's all body color underneath. Wicked cool car. And again, put mirrors underneath it and show it. Really nice. Rear sway bar. Again, the car drives out nice and tight. I'll try now. Every time I do this, when my hands get cold, man, I bump this stupid record button. They've got it in a terrible spot. That said, Daytona carpeting. That car is beautiful, man. Great sound. I think I said all new glass, new window fuzzies, dual chrome mirrors. Oh, it's got the billet hood hinges. Air does need a little charge. It kicks on and everything. It's like a big deal, just kicked it on. But it's gonna need a little charge. We'll make sure that gets done. Griffin radiator. Billet front grille. You fit nice in here, Dale. Dale's got a Nomad, 55 Nomad, so 5,500 miles on the build. Doors open and close, nice. The blower motor works. It didn't turn that. Oh, it got power.
Yeah,
It should say source. Nope. See that up? Nope. To left one. There's source. Probably hold it down. So I heard it power up. I don't know. We'll check it. I never turned it on, but I know the blower motor works. You had the radio on though, Dale? I heard it powering up. I don't think the wipers are on it. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. Great way to keep up with us. You can do that by Quick little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Oh, that's a nice car right there. Very nicely done. Well-built car. Have a great day, guys.